This is meditation of awareness. I want you to sit comfortably. Ensure that your feet are resting somewhere. There's no reason to strain your legs, your back. I want you to focus on your breath for just a moment. There is no reason to force your breath to be any faster or any slower. Your body knows what to do. As you follow your breath, observe how it fills your lungs, how it travels into your chest, how it fills with oxygen your entire body. Continue following your breath for just a few moments longer. Observe how steady and reliant your breath is, how rhythmic your heart is, how intelligent your body is. It knows exactly what to do. It replenishes itself with the nutrients of everything around you. I want you to take deeper breath now, all the way from your belly button. Inhale until you reach the capacity of your lungs. And now exhale all the way, pushing the breath from your heart through your neck into your mouth and exhale. I want you to repeat the same thing, but inhaling from the top of your head and your mouth, pushing the oxygen down your chest into your belly and into your hips. And exhale with ease. Now follow your breath from the bottom of your feet, saturating your knees, your thighs, your pelvic floor, and your belly with oxygen. Now, as you exhale, push the stagnant air and everything that does not serve you out through your belly and your chest, into your shoulders, into your neck, and into the top of your head. That's right. Continue following your breath from the very top of your head and through your body and neck, chest area, and into your hips and down below into your feet. You can resume your breath to the normal rhythm. Just keep following up and down your body, achieving the full awareness of your breath, of your body, and elements around you. That's right. Following your breath from the top of your head, all through your neck, and into your chest, into your belly, and into your knees, and exhale into the Mother Earth below. Return your breath to the normal pace. And when you're ready, start wiggling your toes and your fingers. Shake loose your shoulders. Stretch your neck if it's tight. Move your hips just so slightly and open your eyes when ready. Welcome back.